Hello everyone, Mel here with Abstract Fitness. Before you start using your weights, make sure you warm up. So I'm going to put the link right here below this video, and you're going to have as well a little thing coming up on the video. So please make sure you warm up 10 to 15 minutes before you use your weights. So this program won't be for people with osteopenia or osteoporosis. Sorry, not this time. Okay? So grab your weights, 2, 3, 5 pounds, and let's get started. We're going to use both weights. Shoulders are down and back. Okay? And I'm going to start, abs are tight. I'm going to start with my right leg right here. So my weight is right here. And I'm going to open my arms in V. Have you seen that my weights are vertical? And let's push forward. And let's do the same thing with your other leg. So shoulders are always down. Good. Inhale. Exhale. That's it. Inhale. Exhale. So keep going. If you feel your shoulders are lifting, probably you're done or your weights are too heavy. So switch. You can keep going the movement without any weights as well. Good. Let's go again for 4 and 3. That's it. Take your time. Find your balance first. 2 more. And we're going to go for 1 more. That's it. And slowly release. You can march, rotate your shoulders backwards. I'm going to do a side lunge right here. So I want you to keep your chest up. And then we're going to lift the arms right here. This is your option 1. Option 2, if you lift your arms again, weight vertical. Come back. Step to the left. Same thing. Choose your option, option 1 or 2. I'm going to go with option 2 because I know I can do it. So respect yourself. Exhale up, inhale, same thing. You're going to keep your shoulders down. So we're going to work your shoulders a lot today. Anytime it's getting too much, do the same movement without your weight. There we go. Inhale, exhale. Abs are tight. Try to be very stable from your pelvis all the way to your head. And again, step side and lift. That's it. And 3. And 2. That's it. And 1 more. Good. And release. Rotate your shoulders again backwards. The next exercise, we're going to punch. So if you want to do it without your weights, please do it. We're going to be here in semi-squat. Nice and slow. Option 2 with your weights, obviously. And we're just going to punch. Don't lock your elbows. Slightly but gently bent elbows. Keep going. Come on. Abs are tight. 8, 7, 6. Are you still breathing? 5, 4, and 3, and 2. That's it. And slowly release. And again, rotate your shoulders. I feel my shoulders. I told you we're going to do a lot. Let's give us a little break. Shoulders down and back, tricep kick back. So you're gonna do 1 row, and then you're gonna kick back. Abs are tight, protect your lower back. Inhale, exhale, kick back. So the position of your elbows remains the same. And hinge from the hips, try to go or come down as low as you can. Respect your lower back and bend your knees slightly as well. Are you ready again for 8, 7, 6, 5, and 4, 3, and 2. That's it. And 1 more. Woo! Release, rotate your shoulders. I'm going to do a plie. I'm going to use only my right arm. So plie down, exhale up, in diagonal. So slightly bend elbow again. Inhale down, exhale. I want to see that your weight is equal on both legs. So down to inhale, exhale, contract your glutes without locking your knees. Exhale and up. You got it. Inhale, exhale up. In 4. And 3. And 2. And last one. We're going to switch your arms. Are you ready? Let's go. Same thing with your left. Down and up. Always keep the shoulder right in the pocket. Don't lift your shoulder when you reach up. Good. We're working again your shoulders. This time the back. Inhale. Exhale. Feel your weight equal on both legs. Again for 3. Contract your glutes. You got it. And 2. And 1 more. And slowly release. Bring your legs back together. Rotate your shoulders. We're going to do a row. Shoulders down and back. Hinge from the hips. And just go. Row. So abs are tight. And you should feel tall from your hips all the way to your head. 8. Squeeze your shoulder blades together. 7. Shoulders down. 6. 5. In 4. 3. In 2. That's it. 1 more. Good. And release and rotate your shoulders. Now I'm going to use only 1 weight. So put it away. You can put it even on a table or on a chair. It's going to be safer. Stupid thing. Okay, there we go. Are you ready? Let's start with your right arm. We're going to do a triangle. You can do this one without your weight for safety. Okay, option 1, no weight. Option 2, right hand. We're going to keep it here, right above. Keep the shoulder down. And I'm going to look at my weight. My arm is not moving. I'm going to the left. And then I'm going to come back up. We're going to inhale down. Keep your eyes on the ball, on your weight. And then come back up. Inhale down. Exhale up. That's it. Good. So you're going to feel the lengthening here, but then they need to contract to help you to come back up. 3 and 2. One more time. Beautiful. And release. Switch it up. Ready? Keep your arm up. Again, optional to do without any weight. Let's go. We're going to go to the right. Look at your weight. And up. Inhale. Exhale. So keeping both shoulders down, keep them in the pockets. That's it. 4, 3. So arm is not moving. 2. This is going to be easy. And last one. Beautiful. And slowly release. Little rest again because we're going to go back to shoulders. Nice and tall. Optional right here. Option 1, you tap your toes. Option 2, you just lift your leg without touching. You don't need your weight. You want to put it on the side for now, go for it. I'm just going to keep it. That way I don't need to bend over again. Let's go. 10. You can put a finger somewhere right here for support. 7. Inhale. Exhale. 6. 5. 4. Feel the work in your left hip. That's it. 2. And 1 more. That's it. Move your hips, and we're just going to switch sides. Are you ready? Shoulders down and back. Let's go. Option 1, you tap. Option 2, you lift. Just choose your option. Let's go. Exhale up. Inhale to release. Good. 8 more right here. And 6. 5. Try to be very stable from your hip all the way to your head. In 3. And 2. Beautiful. 1 more. And release and move your hips. Let's go back with your right arm. Option 1, no weight. Okay? Option 2, you're going to lift it up. So if you have problems with your shoulders, obviously this program is not for you. And we're going to lift the knee and try to lift it as high as you can. Again, you can use support. You can even put 1 finger on the door or maybe on a chair close by. There we go. If you want to lift the knee higher, go ahead. Safety first. Let's go. Inhale. Exhale. You can even crunch to the side. Crunch. And crunch. Very good for balance, this one. Good. Working your back, your obliques. That's it. 6. 5, 4, 3. Are you feeling your shoulders? That's it. One more. And release and switch your arms. Option 1, no weight. Ready? Shoulders down and back. Inhale, shoulders down. I want to see again your ear. Inhale, exhale, down. Inhale up. Try to lift your knee as high as you can. It's okay if you just open to the side as well. Okay? And go. That's it. You can even crunch. 6, 5, in 4, in 3, in 2. Beautiful. And last one. That's it. And release. Okay, and like we can repeat again all those exercises. If you have enough, please stop this video right here. Okay? If you're ready, grab water. Let's take a little break. And then we're going to take the other weight as well. So we're going to go back with both weights. See you in a bit. Are you ready? Second set. Let's go. Shoulders down and back. Point back. Go in a little lunge. Open your arms in V shape. And then we're going to switch your legs. Let's go. Inhale. Exhale to lift. Abs are tight. Try to be as stable as possible. But lift as well your weights. Nice and controlled. Same thing on the way up. Slow on the way down. And again, let's go only for 4. And 3. That's it. And 2. And one more. Keeping the shoulders down. Bravo. And slowly release and rotate your shoulders. We're going to go side to side. So side lunge. If your shoulders are tired, no weights. Let's go. Let's go right. Option 1, you bend your elbows. Easier. And option 2, you open your arms. Again, weights are vertical. It's easier for the shoulders when we open right there. Okay? Inhale, exhale, and push back. That's it. Again, abs are tight. Beautiful. Try to open straight to the side. Straight to the side. That's it. And again, can we do 2 more? 1 each side. And last one. Good. And slowly release and rotate your shoulders. Let's go and tricep kick back. And then we're going to do the punch. Ready? Shoulders down. 1 roll. And then go with your triceps. Slightly bend knees. Abs are tight. And let's go for 8, 7, 6. Shoulders away from your ears. 5, 4, 3. Press your big toes into the floor. 2. And last one. Beautiful. Come back. Rotate your shoulders backwards. Ready? Plie or slightly bent knees, I should say. And let's go. Little punch, punch, punch. Don't lock your elbows. Soft elbows. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 2, 1.5, 1. Good job. And slowly release. Right here, right arm, and up. Let's go to the right in corner. Inhale, exhale. That's it. I'm doing a plie. I find plie easier as well for my knees. Exhale, up, contract your glutes, finish your move. Again, up and contract. And 4. I'm getting warm here. And 3. That's it. And 2. And last one. We're going to switch your arms. Are you ready? Let's go to the left. Down. Feel your weight. Equal on both legs. Exhale. Inhale. Good. Nice and slow. Don't use the momentum. 4, 3. Contract your glutes. And 2. And 1 more. Good. Beautiful. Bring your legs back together. Let's go for rows. Up and down. So shoulders away from your ears. Abs are tight. Let's go. Squeeze your shoulder blades together. 8, 7, 6. So if you feel your shoulders are lifting towards your ears, you're probably done. You're probably too tired. Just stop. 3, 2, and last one. Nice. And release. Okay, we're going to use only one weight. I hope this time my weight is going to stay right there. There we go. Whew. Are you ready? Is it warm? We're going to do the triangle. Let's start with your right. Keep it up, shoulder down. And we're just going to slide your hand along the left leg. So contract the glutes. Let's go. Look at your weight and come back up. Inhale down. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. That's it. Again in 4, 3, and 2. That's it. And last one. Good. And release. Switch your arms. If your shoulders are tired, no weights. Let's go. Keep the shoulder down. Inhale down. Exhale up against gravity. Keep your eyes not on the ball, like golfing, but right on your weights. Good. And we're going to go for 4 and 3. How many? Yep. 2 and 1. And release. Good job. We're going to go back to the leg abduction. Shoulders down and back. Abs are in. Let's go. 10. Press your big toes right into the floor. 8. You can use one finger on the chair or the wall. 6. 5. 4. 3. Feel the work in your left. And you know we need that. One more time. Good. And wiggle your hips. Let's do the same thing. Your weight is optional. You don't even need it for this one. Again, let's go. Up and down. Up. Good. In 8. So abs are tight. That's it. In 6. 5. 4. 3. And 2. And last one. Beautiful. And slowly release. Let's go back with your right arm. Last one exercise before we go to the stretch. Are you ready? We're going to bring, again, the knee up like that. Shoulders down. Optional to use your weight. Inhale, exhale. Try to bring your knee as high as you can. Again, you can use one finger against the against the wall. It's going to be easier. There we go. Inhale, exhale. Let's go again for 4, 3, and 2. That's it. And one more. And slowly release and rotate your shoulder backwards. Switch. Same thing. Shoulder is down. Inhale. Exhale up. Inhale. Exhale up. And 4, 3, 2. Beautiful. And slowly release. Voila. We're done. So make sure you do the stretch, guys. I'm going to include this video right here in the link below. Okay? You're going to have something coming up right on the screen. So I hope you enjoyed the class and see you soon.